Well, my next big project on the Elegoo Neptune 3 and 4 Max, something that I've always wanted because I've been a fan of this movie since I was a little kid. I wanted to do the Proteus from Fantastic Voyage. Actually, like a full-size Raquel Welch as well, but this will probably be easier, less to explain to my wife. But anyway, should end up looking like this. I found a model to purchase on Cults 3D, and I've got hold of that, and I'll have it displayed on the base just as you see in this photograph here. I'm going to use the resin printer to make the clear windows and dome, because I've got some clear resin I can run through the Saturn 4, and hopefully that'll come out nicely. I've also got a mate in California who's going to try and put together the figures to go with it, because it doesn't come with the crew, and he's got a way of making figurines to scale, so he was kind enough to offer to make him at some point, so I'll end up putting a crew in the Proteus as well. So far I've had the Neptune 3 and Neptune 4 Max running, making some parts. So here's a bit of the base, so that's a quarter of the base, so that shall give you an idea of just how big this thing's going to be. I'm blowing it up to 200% scale, so it's going to be a good size model. God knows where I'm going to display it, but I'm one of these people, bigger is better. So right now I'll flip you around, excuse the noise. I tried to get a good microphone for this camera, but do you think this Razor will connect to an external microphone? Like hell it will on the video side. So yeah, pain in the backside. But yeah, so there's the second piece coming off. I'm using the 3 Max to run them off because it's not too complicated, and the slower speed of it doesn't matter so much. This is probably the largest part of the submarine itself, so this should be like this area going right across that way. You can see it there. Of course, lots and lots and lots of pieces to run off. But that's coming along well. It's a 2-day print, and I've still got 7 hours according to that to run off. And if I have a look down here, yeah, so here's the piece sliced, and looking at the curvature of that hole, I would say I'm probably up to about this point here. So, but yeah, it's going to be nice when it's done. So just a long way to go yet. So I'll keep you updated as these pieces come off, and I will see how the thing looks when it's finished. Anyway, thanks a lot everyone. Bye.